Good day viewers, and you are welcome to this channel. Here we have a beautiful functional equations of f of 2x minus 1 plus f of 2 equals 4x minus 1. Then we are asked to find f of minus 2. So to solve this problem is very simple, as I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of solving this problem, and if you have another way of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. For the first method, for the method 1, we have this domain of the first one as 2x minus 1, and suppose I let 2x minus 1 equals 2. So I let it to be a constant number. Therefore, we have 2x equals 3. And if 2x equals 3, this shows that x equals 3 divided by 2. And if x equals 3 divided by 2, we come back to this function and try to replace this one with f of 2. Since we have 2x minus 1, I've already letting it to be 2. Let's just call this one f of 2 plus this is also f of 2 equals, where x is given as 3 over 2 for 4x minus 1. We have 4 into bracket of 3 over 2 minus 1. Having this, we have f of 2 plus f of 2. This is 2f of 2 equals 2 in the 4. That gives us 2. And 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. Then 6 minus 1, it gives us 5. And from here, by making f of 2 only here, we are going to have 5 divided by 2 as f of 2. After getting f of 2, again, let's try and replace 2x minus 1 with minus 2 by letting 2x minus 1 equals minus 2. And by this, we have 2x equals minus 1 and x equals minus 1 divided by 2. This is what we have here. Let's replace for the second time. We have this as f of minus 2 plus f of 2 equals 4 into bracket of x is now minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So we cannot add this together because this is negative and this is positive, unlike the first one that they have the same number. But f of 2 is given as 5 over 2. We can quickly replace f of 2 as plus 5 divided by 2 equals 2 here 1 and 2 here is 2. 2 times minus 1, that gives us minus 2. Then minus 2 minus 1, we have it as minus 3. Therefore, f of minus 2 equals minus 3 minus 5 divided by 2. Taking minus 5 over 2 here. So we have minus 5 over 2, and therefore f of minus 2 equals minus 11 divided by 2. This is correct for f of minus 2. And this is the first method of solving this. Let's solve this in another method and compare this first method and the second method, then to the last method, and see the one that is very easy to use. You are welcome to the second method of solving this, and if you are just coming to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. In this second method, we are going to apply the substitution method to solve this. Assume from the first one here, which is 2x minus 1. If I let this one equals t, we are trying to make x the subject of the formula. We transfer 1 to other side, or we can say add 1 to both sides. We have 2x equals t plus 1. If 2x equals t plus 1, we divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x equals t plus 1 divided by 2. Anywhere I see x, I'm going to replace it with t plus 1 over 2. As we have f of t plus f of 2 equals, so for x there is f4 into bracket of t plus 1 divided by 2, then minus 1. Let's change t to x. We have f of x plus f of 2 equals 2 in this 4, that is 2. And by opening this, we have 2 times t, and since we have changed t to x, we have this as 2x plus 1. Because 2 times 1, that is 2, then minus 1, we have it as plus 1. So since this is what we have reduced this to, it is now left to us to find what x here is. Let's take f of 2 to other side first. We have f of x equals 2x plus 1 minus f of 2. So since we have 2x plus 1 minus f of 2, then let's assume that x here equals 2. If x equals 2, we have f of 2 equals 2 times 2, that is 4 plus 1. We have it as 5 minus f of 2. So for 5 minus f of 2, and this is f of 2, f of 2, we take this one here. So we have 2 f of 2 equals 5. So dividing both sides by 2, we have f of 2 equals 5 over 2. Again, let's try and let x equals minus 2. So if x equals minus 2, we are going to have f of minus 2 equals, so by introducing x to 2x minus 1, we are going to get minus 3 minus f of 2. Minus 3 minus f of 2, by taking, since we have f of 2 already, which is 5 over 2. Then introducing it here, we get answer as minus 11 over 2, which is also the same as the first one we got. I think this method and the first method, they look similar, but another way of solving this. So let's see the last method. And if you are just coming to this channel again, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Welcome to the third method of solving this. Here, looking at 4x minus 1, we see that this is a first degree equation. X is 1, that is a first degree equation. If I assume that f of x to be equals ax plus b, so the power of this x is 1, that is a linear equation, or we call it first degree equations. So everywhere here, we arrange f of 2x minus 1 by changing this x to 2x minus 1. We have a into bracket of 2x minus 1 plus b. So this equals a times 2x, that is 2ax minus a plus b. So by adding this together, we are going to have, or before that, let's find f of 2. Anywhere we see x, we replace it with 2. Therefore, we have 2x, 2a plus b. Then we add this together. For this first one, we have 2ax minus a plus b. Then plus f of 2, that is 2a plus b equals 4x minus 1. Then we have to compare here. Before that, we have 2ax Here is minus a plus a. We have it as a plus b, that is 2b, everything equals 4x minus 1. Comparing this, it is x, this is x. That is, shows that 2a equals 4 and a equals 2. Again for this, all these are constant, which equals minus 1. By adding a plus 2b, this equals minus 1. And a is given as 2 plus 2b equals minus 1. Making this 2b the subject and transferring this one here, we are going to have 2b equals minus 3. Therefore, b equals minus 3 over 2. So coming to the equation, we assume as f of x equals ax plus b. But a is 2 and b is minus 3 over 2. Changing this a to 2. And changing this b to minus 3 over 2. And since we need f of minus 2, we just try and replace this with f of minus 2. And we substitute here, we get minus 11 over 2. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and if you watch to this stage, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye. If you have another method of solving this, please drop it in the comment box.